The most interesting facts about the human body. There are approximately 100 billion neurons in your brain. The human brain consists of approximately 100 billion neurons. They collect, examine, and store information about the internal and external condition. There are between 1000 and 10,000 synapses present in each neuron, which is a total of 1 quadrillion synapses. The neurons in the brain would stretch to more than 950 km if they were lined up. Information flows from one neuron to another across a synapse. A small gap in the synapse separates the neurons. Synapses are extremely important for the functioning of neurons. Did you know the fact that a newborn baby loses about half of their nerve cells before they are born? Yeah, it's right. A baby loses about half its neurons before it is born. This process discards neurons that do not receive adequate input from other neurons. Neurons develop at a slower rate as your age increases. It is almost zero in adults. When a child is developing inside the womb of its mother, the rate of neuron development is 250,000 neurons per minute. Once a child is born, it will have about 10 million nerve cells. Babies lose half their nerve cells as they do not have the necessary nutrients to sustain them. A newborn baby does not carry out all the action of an adult, therefore these cells degenerate. If your nerves are damaged, it may be fatal. In order to regulate your internal environment and respond to external environment, your nerves must conduct impulses. Not all the neurons in the CNS can restore themselves. Unlike other cells, the nervous system can permanently lose some of its abilities if some neurons perish because of illness or damage. The symptoms of disorders depend on the affected part. The nervous system, if damaged, does not have any cures. Next, the nervous system can transmit signals at speeds of 400 km per hour. Your nervous system is a hard and fast worker depending on the types of neurons doing the work. The speed of your nerve impulses would vary. The fastest traveling speed of a neuron is about 400 km in an hour. That is roughly the average speed of an aeroplane. The axons should be wide and properly insulated so that the nerve impulses can travel swiftly. A lot of space and energy is used up for the purpose. It can only be found in neurons that require immediate transferring of information from one part of the body to another. Your body has 43 pairs of nerves to send messages through your body. There are 43 different pairs of nerves which connect the central nervous system to every other part of your body. Out of these, 12 pairs are attached to the brain and the other 31 are attached to the spinal cord. Of these, the clusters of nerves located at the base of the spinal cord is known to be the most sensitive. There are three types of nerves. Number 1. Spinal nerves. These nerves carry information obtained from the sensory organ to the spinal cord. Next is association nerves. They bring about the assimilation of sensory input and motor output. Cranial nerves. These are the somatic system nerves that transmit information that enters into and emerges from the brain stem. There is a reason why you shiver when you are cold. Your body is continuously working to keep its temperature constant at 37 degrees Celsius. Your cells work best at this temperature. Body heat, thirst and other body functions are controlled by the hypothalamus, which is an extraordinary section of the brain. When your body temperature gets too hot or cold, it wants the rest of the body to either cool you off or warm you up. Once a cold day, you may start shivering. The heat control center sends a message to your muscles to move very quickly. When muscles shiver, they emit additional heat. This additional heat helps you to stay warm. A fever is your body's way of fighting an infection. When you have an infection, different factors activate your hypothalamus. The heat control center in your body is cautioned when substances created at the infected site move through the circulatory system and reach the brain. This center responds by making the cells work faster. This raises the temperature of the body and results in a fever. Due to the increased rate at which cells work, they can create more antibodies to fight the infection. The fever also makes the body too hot for bacteria to survive in. However, it also makes you feel sick. Your nervous system helps store your memories. At birth, your nervous system will contain all the neurons you will ever have. However, most of the nervous neurons are not connected. Messages travel repetitively from neuron to neuron and create new connections as an individual grows and learns. The brain of a young child is highly adaptable when a part of it gets injured. Another part can often substitute for it. However, as you grow older, the brain needs to work harder to make new pathways, which make it quite difficult to master new tasks. Thus, many scientists suggest that it is important to keep stimulating the brain by learning new things and making new connections. Memory is another complex function. The tasks that you have performed and learned are primarily processed in the cortex. If you sense that this information is important, it is passed to other parts of the brain for long-term storage and recovery. New paths are formed as these messages journey through the brain, which serve as the basis of your memory. Master new tasks, learn new things, make new pathways. The automatic nervous system has two parts, the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. The body is prepared for sudden stress by the sympathetic nervous system. When something terrifying occurs, this system makes the heart beat quickly in order to send blood quickly to the different body parts that are in need. This system signals the adrenal glands above the kidneys to release adrenaline, which provides extra energy to the muscles for a quick escape. This process is known as the body's fight or flight response. In contrast, the body is prepared for rest by the parasympathetic nervous system. In addition, it helps the digestive tract to be mobile so the necessary nutrients are absorbed from your food. Thank you guys. In next video, I will share you some more interesting facts about the human body. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.